Welcome to General Motors East Africa. We are an automobile assembly plant. As a responsible corporate citizen, we are committed to protecting the health and safety of employees, contractors, suppliers, and visitors as our overriding priority. We will endeavor to protect human health, natural resources, local and global environment in accordance with the environmental principles of General Motors Company. The following guidelines are in place to ensure your safety while within our premises. Enjoy your stay at General Motors East Africa. Karibu sana. At GMEA, we believe that safety is an overriding priority and that all incidents can be prevented through collective responsibility of everybody being involved and committed towards zero incidents at the workplace. Follow safety signage as you enter through the gate. You will be issued with visitor's badge, which you will wear for purposes of identification. Use designated pedestrian walk aisles, white hatched lines at all times. While driving, follow the recommended speed limit of 15 km per hour and with your safety belt buckled. You are advised to keep off the areas marked as orange crash zones. Limited entry will only be allowed with applicable personal protective equipment 1. Personal protective equipment PPEs are the last line of defense as far as hierarchy of hazards control is concerned. You'll be issued with safety glasses before you enter the plant. Wear them throughout your visit in the plant. Open and high-heeled shoes are not allowed as they increase injury potential. GMEA prides itself in the provision of safe work environment for everyone. However, in the unlikely event of emergency situation, an emergency alarm in form of a ringing bell will be activated. Your host will guide you to the nearest safe emergency assembly point via the exit routes and doors. Do not run. Walk briskly without panicking. You'll be accounted for as you wait for the next appropriate direction from management. Various equipment, for example fire extinguishers, are provided across the factory for use in such situations. The following emergency numbers are provided for prompt communication during emergencies. You will not be allowed entry if intoxicated with alcohol or drugs. However, you may smoke tobacco only at designated smoking zones within the plant. Cell phones are an essential part of our life. However, they may cause undesirable health and safety consequences when used in certain parts of the plant. You are therefore advised to switch off the same while in areas with highly flammable substances, for example, paint shops, fuel storage areas, and highly flammable substance storage areas. If you have a pacemaker, you are advised to keep off the factory as magnetic fields inherent in our processes may interfere with your device. GMEA is an environmentally friendly company certified to ISO 14001-2004 and working in compliance to the Kenya legal requirements. You are therefore advised to follow these guidelines. Reduce generation of waste. Reuse or recycle waste generated. Segregate waste. Dispose waste as per the label on the waste container. Do not pour any liquids to the stormwater drains. Switch off lights and equipment not in use. Report leaks, that is gas, water, air and other fluids to your contact person. Always peruse material safety data sheet before use of chemicals. All chemical containers must be appropriately labeled with the containing element. Safe use instructions are documented and available for your in-depth understanding. Emergency shower and eye wash are strategically provided for use in case of emergencies involving chemicals. The following types of works have been branded high-risk tasks and utmost care and advanced preparations must be exercised before expedition. Applicable permits must be sought and adhered to at all times. Working at height, energy lockout, working in confined space, hot works, electrical safe work practices related tasks, hazardous energy control related tasks, industrial hygiene related tasks, a working alone situation. Contractors and service providers are essential components of GMEA's operations, processes and system. You are advised at all times to liaise with GMEA project manager for the duration of your contract. You shall be guided through various pertinent systems which you will be required to comply with at all times. Such systems include permits for hot works, confined space entry, etc. You'll also be required to have on-site trained first aider and a furnished first aid kit. Other requirements will be relayed on a need basis by the GM project manager. Your employees must be provided with appropriate PPEs as well as safe tools and equipment. It's important that you report all incidents or unsafe acts or conditions to your GMEA's contact person, supervisor, or safety and health department. This forms great input to our safety system improvement program. Thanks for watching and enjoy your stay at GMEA's site. Karibu sana.